On this new tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram comments problem or glitch or not showing. So all what you have to do is very simple. Open the settings, go to apps, and then go to the apps manager. Now on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Scroll until you find Instagram, click on it, click on force stop, and then go down to the storage. Click on clear cache and then clear data. Go back, click on this force stop, and then click on the power usage details, and make sure also to click on this force stop right here down here. It's very important. And after that, all what you have to do now is restart your phone and then reopen Instagram, and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching the video until the very end.